It's kind of giving me like I'm somebody mama vibes. Like, sit down. I don't know what it's giving, but it's definitely giving something. What is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, all you have to do is hit that red subscribe button to join the team. All right, so don't mind the noise in the background. That's my brother. But as you can see from the title of that thumbnail, your girl's about to be installing another wig today. This unit is from Beauty Forever Hair. This is the Ombre Highlight T-part wig. Yes, this is my first time having like a little closure, or I think it's a 5x5 inch closure. I'm not gonna hold you, it was a little difficult because I'm used to frontals. The hair is really pretty. You will see in the video that I didn't have to do much to it at all. It came in 16 inches and I actually cut it down, so it's probably about 14 inches now. I just wanted to shape it up a little bit, give me like a little bob. I just wanted to say that I don't think I mentioned it, but the hair itself wasn't difficult at all. It was just difficult for me because it was my first time installing like a T-part wig or a closure, whatever you want to call it. It was my first time installing it, so it was kind of like a whole trust the process thing, and I'm definitely a trust the process kind of girl because like when I first start out, it don't be looking how it's gonna look in the end. Just so as you're watching this video, just trust the process, okay? Just trust the process. And yeah, I actually did start to put curls in it and pin it up, but once I took it down, as you guys can see, I wasn't really feeling it. I don't know, it was giving me like it wasn't giving with those little curls in it. So I did decide to just like flat iron it and then curl the front to my liking. So yeah, just keep watching. All right, I really didn't expect to like this the way I did because I have never had color. Like y'all see in all my old videos, I have never had color in my hair, so this was definitely an experience. The highlights are actually really pretty. If you follow my social media, you will see that I actually posted on my story and the process and everything. I'm very impressed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All the details for this hair will be in the description box below. So yeah, let's just hop right into it. This is the final look. I did put those curls in it and pin it up, but when I took it down and insert a picture, I just wasn't feeling it. I just wasn't feeling it. So I actually did just flat iron it and end up curling it to my liking. But I really do like this. I've never had any highlights in my hair, like I said before, but I actually am extremely impressed by the coloring and everything. So from now on, I definitely will be getting out of my comfort zone and trying like different colors. I can't film this video. Look out. That is pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to your girl, because I can guarantee you will love it here. Also, make sure you're following all my social media. They will be linked down below and somewhere on the screen. And make sure you hit up your people at Beauty Forever Hair to check out this unit. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, your girl is out. Stay tuned for the next one. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your post notifications. All right.